Hi, Brian. Thanks for reaching out regarding your company and the pavement work you guys do. I will keep you in mind when we have anything coming up, but right now we don't have any projects for paving in our property management company. Um, I did want to point out a couple of things. I do SEO for our property management and other companies. And I wanted to point out that I Googled asphalt paving in Corona, where you guys are located, and the three people or the three companies that come up in the three pack, we call this the three pack, are these guys here. And you guys are listed, but you're a little lower. You're down here. You got United Paving, ABC, TLG, and here you are. And the reason being is that you need to have a little bit more SEO done so you can be on the three pack. You don't have any trust flow on your website. You have a little bit of citation flow, and then also you don't have that many backlinks and referring domains. Your domain rating is zero point 0.4. So anyway, you need a little bit of work. If you want to show up on the top three, I can help you with that. I've helped a number of companies uh, get to the top. I did a pool cleaning company recently, Camarillo Pool Service. I helped. Let's see here, Camarillo Pool Service. Yeah, this guy right here at the top comes up at the top. Um, and then I did, let me see, Camarillo Plumbing. I'm in Camarillo, so I worked a lot of with a lot of local companies. If you're looking for a plumber, these are ads. And then here, this is the one that I created. I helped this guy get up to the top. So anyway, let me know if you're interested. Shoot me a text or a message on here. All right. Good luck to you, and I will keep you in mind for the other services you guys have for the paving. Thanks.